The 2DS. Ooh. Boy, have I wanted to show you guys this 2DS. This is my modded 2DS, which, yes, this is the one that I played Fein off of. This is the software that I used to play Fein off of. I've seen a lot of different people commenting, being like, oh, what did you use to play Fein off your 2DS? I just took, like, the files for it and just converted it to an H-Wave and put it on H-Shop. So, yeah. So, like, a bunch of people have been commenting, oh, how'd you do that? How'd you do that? Well, this is how I did it. It's put Fein on it. That's what it's called. Nirvana 965 commented, are we still friends? Yes, I do have that song on here. I don't know if you guys can hear it off of the crappy music, but yeah, obviously it's not going to sound the best because, you know, it's playing off of a 2DS, and yeah, that goes how it's expected. Bush Face Thingy plays Face Thingy games. Was that Tully Hall by Banana Man? Yes, that's the very first song I actually tried to put on here.
Hopping over on the white hot sand. Here he come with some for me. Freshly taken from banana tree. Banana man me want it done. Give me double and the bonus one. Give me more for all my friends. This banana flow will never end. Do you want a banana? Peel it down and go. Do you want a banana? Tonight we dance around the flame.
So yeah, Slim Shady, One Beard, Doomsday, Red Rum, and Are We Still Friends? Now, we did just already play Are We Still Friends? So yeah, we do have Slim Shady on here. I think I actually did this back in when the Fortnite season came out or whatever. I don't know. The one with Slim Shady in it, so.
Doesn't thrill me at all. So tell me why shouldn't it? I get a kick out of there's only
This song's actually pretty good. Goated song by Dr. Or by MF Doom. Yeah.
yards, man, I'm in big hats. Posh touch drinking tea in Buckingham Palace. Big Ben and black caps. Telephone watches, you don't have to take pictures. That's foolish brekkie and all. Nah, bro. Let me tell you something. That's just what they show you, innit? That's not what we see. That ain't the bits.
Yeah, I got the Igor songs on here. I was listening to Igor a lot when I was putting these files on here. So the video of me playing Fein off this 2DS, which is slowly falling apart because every single time I move it, this falls off because, you know, I was modding it and all that stuff, and I had to get the screws out, and they just wouldn't pop out. So you had to resort to different methods. Anyways, like I was saying, when I put Fein on this thing, about 6 days later, somebody else, another YouTuber, Krabby Fatty, funny name, I actually really like the name, he made a video of him playing Fein off of a Wii U, and I actually went out to the video, watched the whole video, really good, I do recommend watching it. It's just like playing Fein off of the 3DS or 2DS or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I actually asked him, yeah, this is a really nice video. I actually made a video just like it, and he said that he was inspired by my video of playing Fein off the 2DS. I had no idea that this video would get that large, that somebody else would see it and then make a video of playing it off of a 2DS. I didn't even think to play it off of my Wii U. I miss at it. He played it off of his Wii U, and I was like in shock that he did that. I was just like, wow, he was inspired by that. That's super cool. I didn't even think of playing it off my Wii U. My Wii U's gaining dust on my shelf right now. PictoChat, Flipnote Studio, we got Metopia, all that. That's a mod for Mario Kart 7. We got everything. We got mods like Animal Crossing Welcome Luxury and Sunset Shores. That's a Mario mod. We got Cookie Clicker on here. Cookie Clicker. We got Grimace's Birthday. That one game that McDonald's made back in like 2023 or 2024. I don't even remember when it was Grimace's birthday. Or Waluigi Simulator. I made a video about Waluigi Simulator. Chibi Robo Ziplash, goated game, absolutely love that. Too Fast for Gnomes demo. That's the one that me and Doomsbell have the world record for. Really sick. We have Nomi, the 3DS manager. There's Checkpoint, FBI. We have Homebrew Launcher. We got all that stuff. We got right there. Watch it. The light is now an RGB light. Now we're truly gaming, because now we have a RGB light on 2DS. Look at that. Hold on, let me turn my light off. It's RGB. Oh my gosh. Now my main problem with this, right here, right there, camera on back. Film it off of playing it off of a 2DS. You see, if I were to, I still wouldn't be able to, because these stupid cameras are broken. You see, when you open up the 2DS, the worst part about it is that when you open it up, the stupid ribbon cable for these things is literally right there. I replaced the cameras in this one, and then I broke it again. Can't believe it. Absolutely annoying. I hate it. So, we're gonna have to fix that. So a friend of mine, Doom Bells, check him out. He lended me his DS. We're taking it apart and taking the camera. I mean, lending the camera. That's what I mean, lending it. There's so many screws on these things. I actually hate how many screws are in these. I bet you guys cannot see that, but there's a bunch of screw holes in this thing. So I'm just gonna have to create like a time lapse of how fast this is with magic editing. The editing magic, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so now we got to be really, really careful when it comes to taking this off. So I don't know where the stupid ribbon cable is going to be at. Okay, let's have a look. There's the ribbon cable. If you guys can't see it, it's literally right there. Right there, you can see it, that stupid ribbon cable. And steal the ribbon cable. Well, not the ribbon cable, the whole camera. You can see that annoying thing. There it is. No! Ah! Give me that. Thank you. As you can see, ribbon cables. Okay, I probably don't have the screws for this either, so we're just gonna steal the screws too. Thank you, Doom Bells. We're just gonna borrow your camera. Look at that beauty. It's disgusting. Now putting this together is gonna be even more annoying. How? I forget how. Oh, okay. Whoa. Probably gonna have to do a time lapse of this. So, edit this. Okay, now that we've put this all back together, we're just gonna stick that on the back. It totally looks how it looks when I first pulled it out. Now we have a good back plate. A lot of you guys may be asking, oh, why would you do that to your friend's 2DS? Oh, that's so mean. Now it won't work. It doesn't work in the first place. Is there even a screw there? There's not even a screw right there. Right there, that hole doesn't even have a screw in it. I'm missing screws. That's insane. But a lot of you guys may be like, oh, that's so mean. The 2DS didn't work to start with. He chucked the 2DS at me. So as you can see, right there, old camera. We still got part of the ribbon cable attached. Because if you didn't have part of that ribbon cable attached in this, right there, then it won't turn on. Wow, that's so nice of you, Nintendo. How fun. Get it out of here. Gross, disgusting. New camera. Amazing, beautiful. Now that we've got it back in there, it's time for the most crucial part. Putting this back together. It's very, very, very stressful. Black small pieces are not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be brown. Time to test and see if it works. It boots up, so that something's good. Game patching. Sure. So save and exit. That is that's the booting menu. So that only boots up if you force it to, or else, unless you take it apart and put different parts in it. So, see if this thing turns on. That'll be the real test. Oh my gosh, it turns on. Oh my gosh. Guys, it works. Can you guys believe that? Wow. Would you look at that? It works. The crappy 2DS camera. Look at that. It can't even capture certain areas because of how bad that certain area is. So yeah, we got the camera working, guys. You know what that means? I can download my other Chibi Robo game, and I can play it. Let's go! Oh boy. Chibi Robo Photo Finder. I cannot wait to play that game with my newly installed camera. We will not talk about this. This is a secret for everybody to hide. Remember, hide that secret, guys, because it is not getting another camera, and I'm not putting the camera inside of it. So, thank you guys for watching. Once again, check out Krabby Fatty's video of playing Fein off of the Wii U. Thank you guys for watching the 2DS Fein video, and thank you for all the commenters that are mentioned and not mentioned in this video. So, I'm gonna download this. Oh my gosh. I said I'm gonna download that and I'm gonna play it. So, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great rest of your day.